So the first one is make sure that you're claiming all of the allowable expenses against your tax bill. There's lots of doctors that have never claimed allowable expenses. So you're leaving a lot of money on the table. What are the allowable expenses? I'll cover that now, and in the next video we'll look at how do you actually claim. So allowable expenses include things that are necessary for you to do your job as a doctor. For example, your GMC registration, your indemnity. So these are things that you absolutely have to work as a doctor, right? Or you can claim against your tax bill. So if you're a high rate taxpayer, what that means is you effectively reduce the cost of these things by 40%. There are some things that are optional, but are on the list that HMRC has of things that you're allowed to claim. For example, you don't have to be a member of the British Medical Association, but if you are, because they're on the list of allowable organisations, you can claim that against tax. If you're in training, or if you're post-CCT, then Royal College membership fees are allowable expenses. So for example, if you're in GP training, you can claim the cost of all parts of your membership exams, i.e. MRCGP, against tax, because that's a mandatory thing to get your CCT, to complete your training. So those are some of the things that are claimable. A couple of things that you cannot claim, things that you might like to do, but they're not a requirement of the job. So I'll give you an example. If you want to go on a course to help you prepare for that exam, you don't have to go on a course, you're choosing to go on a course because it's not mandatory. Whereas doing the exam itself is a mandatory part of your training, right? So you can't claim the cost of going on a course or study resources to help you pass those exams. Let's say that you choose to do a course that will maybe make you more employable in the future. You'd like to do an extra diploma or something like that. That's not claimable against tax, because that's something that's going to help you get a better job or in your future career. It's not a requirement of your current job. So those are some of the things that you can and can't claim. In the next video, we're going to look at how do you actually claim. So do subscribe, do like and share this if you found it helpful.